Right, back with the second question of the linear function mastery test. Solve the linear equation. Again here, biggest problem is that denominator. I'm going to start, I'll show my working this time. Let's multiply everything by 2. How is that going to help me? Well, the 2 is going to cancel on the left-hand side. So I've just got 5x plus 3 on the left. And that becomes 2 by negative 4 is negative 8. And I'm going to expand. I think you can cope with all this at once. So negative 8 by 1 is negative 8, and negative 8 by negative x is 8x. Got to make a decision. Which side do I want my x's on? I've got more of them on the right, so let's keep positive numbers wherever we can. So I'm going to subtract 5x from each side. If I'm getting my x's on the right, I want all my numbers over on the other side. So the opposite of subtracting 8 is to add 8 to each side. What have I got now? Excuse my poor handwriting here. 3 plus 8 is 11. And that's equal to 8x minus 5x is 3x. Final step, to get x on its own, the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. So x is going to equal 11 over 3. Now, last time we checked it by substituting it back in. Let's see if you can check it by using your calculator this time, just for something different. So let's go ahead and bring up our calculator there and drag it across here a little bit where we can see it. That's even better. I somehow seem to have reduced the size of it. That's kind of weird. There we go. That's a little bit better. You can see it all now. So menu. Here I've got 2 linear equations. Well, if I find where they're equal to each other, that's going to then tell me what the solution should be. So let's just type in bracket 5x plus 3, close bracket divided by 2. That's my first one. And my other equation, negative 4 outside of 1 minus x. So negative 4 bracket 1 minus x. Close the bracket. I want to make sure my viewing window, I'll just go to the standard one. That should cover it. Shift graphically solve. No, I've got to exit after doing that. Now I can go to draw and then shift graphically solve. Where do they intersect? And x equals 3.6 recurring, which is, of course, 11 thirds. So you know you got it right. Okay, that's not too bad. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.